Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find more security and privacy, and here we've got the option at the top, special permissions. Let's scroll and find install unknown apps, and as you can see we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. Here we've got the warning because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to tick this sentence that you're aware of the risks and confirm it with OK. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content, and of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.